That virus alert taking over your screen is the scam, not a warning about one. The alert itself. 1 minute you're reading a recipe, and the next the whole screen is screaming 5 threats detected, your photos and passwords at risk, call support now at the number on screen. There's a progress bar, a countdown, sometimes a robot voice announcing your computer is locked. Here's the truth, and it changes everything. Nothing has scanned your computer, and nothing has infected it. That entire screen, the scan, the siren, the timer, is one web page built by a scammer and dressed up as security software. Its only job is to frighten you into dialing that number. And the stakes are real. Adults 60 and over lose more money to tech support scams than to any other fraud the FTC tracks. And the newest version doesn't stop at a fake repair bill. It goes after entire life savings. The good news, the defense is free, takes seconds, and OneTel is so reliable that no fake warning will ever fool you, or your parents, again. Here's the plan. What that pop-up really is, exactly what happens if you call, the twist that empties accounts, the foretells, and the calm click-by-click playbook. Let's get into it. Beat 1, what you're actually looking at. Because the fear collapses the moment you see the parts. That terrifying screen is a web page, not a scan, not your antivirus, not Windows, a page. The same technology as any pop-up ad, wearing a security costume. So look at the parts. Part 1, the scan bar. It's an animation. It would find 5 threats on a computer fresh out of the box because nothing is scanning anything. Part 2, the siren or the robot voice. That's an audio file the page plays on a loop. Fear with a volume knob. Part 3, the countdown. Your files will be deleted in 459, 458. Nothing happens at 0 because there is nothing to happen. Real security software removes threats quietly. It does not hold your photos hostage on a timer. And part 4, the reason the whole page exists, a phone number. Pull up any genuine warning from Windows or from a Mac and look for yourself. Real security warnings never include a phone number to call. Security companies don't run a hotline hoping you'll phone them. Scam call centers do. So, a warning plus a phone number equals fake. One glance, case closed. But what's actually waiting on the other end if you do call? You should hear the script before it hears you. Beat 2. Beat 2, the script on the other end, because hearing it in advance works like a vaccine. Step 1, a calm, certified-sounding technician answers. Hold music, a case number, sometimes a badge ID. The theater is the product. Step 2 is the real goal. Let me connect to your computer and take a look. They walk you to a remote access tool and ask you to read out the connection code. Do that, and a stranger you cannot see is holding your mouse. Step 3, the fake diagnosis. They open perfectly normal system screens, routine logs and warnings that every healthy computer shows, and narrate them like a horror film. Your fine machine is declared critically infected. Step 4, the bill. A support plan, usually $200 to $500, by card if you're lucky, and in gift cards if they think you'll go along. And sometimes there's a crueler encore, the refund trick. They refund you too much by mistake, show you a doctored bank screen to prove it, and plead with you to send the difference back. Sound familiar? That's the overpayment scam from our last video, running on your own monitor. Now, a fake $200 repair is bad enough, but it's not the version that empties retirement accounts. That one has 3 acts. Beat 3. Beat 3, the twist the FBI named the Phantom Hacker, where the pop-up is only Act 1. It starts the same way. You call the number, and a technician scans your perfectly fine computer. But this time, he finds something worse than a virus. Someone is inside your bank account right now. Act 2, you're transferred, so helpfully, to your bank's fraud department. The call never left the scam center. It's the same crew with a new script. The fake banker gravely confirms the theft and escalates you to Act 3, a federal investigator, the FBI, the FTC, with a badge number and a case file. Then comes the sentence that does all the damage. To protect your money, you need to move it to a safe account while we investigate. By wire, in cash, in crypto, at a kiosk. sometimes gold handed to a courier at your door. There is no investigation. The safe account is theirs, and money moved is money gone. The scale is not small. Reported losses to tech support scams passed $165 million in a single year. And in the FBI's complaint data, roughly half the victims are over 60, carrying about 2/3 of the losses. This is rehearsed, engineered fear, aimed at careful, responsible people, and the entire machine still hangs by one thread, a phone number on a fake warning. Let's cut that thread. Beat 4. Beat 4. The tells. 1 master rule, 3 backups, and no fake alert ever works on you again. The master rule, a security warning that shows a phone number is fake. Full stop. Microsoft says it plainly in its own support guidance. Their error and warning messages never include a phone number. And they don't cold call you about viruses either. The same goes for Apple. No exceptions means no judgment calls. Backup 1, direction. If Microsoft, Apple, or any security company calls you first about an infection, fake. These companies don't monitor your laptop, and they don't phone customers out of the blue. Scam centers do. Backup 2, remote access. The instant anyone who contacted you first asks to connect to your computer, the conversation is over. A stranger has no legitimate reason to hold your mouse. And backup 3, the family rule that unmasks every scam we've ever covered on this channel. The payment is the confession. Gift cards, wire transfers, crypto machines, cash handed to a courier. No real company and no real agency is ever paid that way. 4 glances, a phone number, the wrong direction, a remote access ask, a strange payment. Any single one of them on its own is a verdict. So, the pop-up is sitting on your screen right now. What exactly do you do click by click? Beat 5. Beat 5, the calm playbook. 4 situations, 4 moves, nothing to buy. Situation 1, the pop-up is on screen right now. Don't call and don't click anything on the page, not even its little X, which can be a fake button. Force quit the browser instead. On Windows, Control-Alt-Delete, open Task Manager, end the browser. On a Mac, Command-Option Escape. Reopen it without restoring the old tabs, and the infection is gone, because there never was one. If a page traps you in full screen, hold the power button. A restart costs nothing. Situation 2, you called but nothing's installed. Hang up. Mid-sentence is fine. Scammers count on politeness. Install nothing, read out no codes. Situation 3, they got into the machine. Kill the internet that second. Wi-Fi off, cable out. Then scan with the real antivirus you already have. Change key passwords from a different device. And if money or cards came up at all, call your bank on the number from the back of your card. Situation 4, the standing rules. Your money never moves to safety because a voice said so. The FBI and FTC never ask that. And spend 2 free minutes at reportfraud.ftc.gov. Every report helps somebody's mom. Then the best defense of all, tonight, hand your parents the master rule. A computer warning with a phone number in it is always, always fake. So here's the whole thing in one breath. That screaming virus alert is a web page in a costume. Nothing scanned you, nothing infected you, and the phone number is the entire con. Call it, and a script runs. Remote access, a fake diagnosis, a few $100s, or the phantom hacker version, where a fake banker and a fake federal agent walk your life savings into a safe account that was never yours. The tells don't change. Real warnings never show a phone number, real companies never call you first, strangers never get remote access, and gift cards, wires, and crypto are how scammers get paid. So your move is calm. Force quit the browser, breathe, and never let fear dial a phone. Then give your parents the one line that beats this whole industry. If a computer warning shows a phone number, it's fake. Close it and call me. One last thing, and it's the most useful 30 seconds of this whole video. The next time a screen starts screaming at you or at your mom, you now know it's a stage set. So make the call that actually matters. Tonight, tell your parents the master rule. A virus warning with a phone number is always fake. Close it and call me instead. That one sentence diffuses the scariest screen they will ever see. If this made something click, subscribe. That's the whole point of this channel. The digital world explained in plain English, so you and the people you love stay a step ahead. And watch this one next, because the same crews run the same play over the phone, the 5 calls aimed at your parents, and exactly how to brief them against everyone. It's on the channel right now. Stay sharp out there.